What's going on, North Texas barbecue addicts? It's me, Kenneth. In today's episode, it's actually an impromptu one. Me and Justin Kelly were trying to decide what we wanted to have for lunch, and we decided that we're going to go to Farmersville, Texas to Redwines BBQ. I've been trying to check them out for a little bit. It's a pop-up trailer similar to ours at Hickory Heat Barbecue, and I think you're going to enjoy this review or this video on my barbecue experience there. So if you haven't already, make sure you hit the subscription button and that bell so you can keep track of this barbecue journey. Let's go ahead and get out to Farmersville. We got the rib right here. Look at that, that's pretty. Let's see what we're working with on this. That's got some really good flavor. Got a really perfect bite. We'll try the sausage out. I like that too. And me and Justin decided we like the spicy one the best though, right?
Yes, sir.
Got some good stuff. Let me grab some brisket and we'll give it a shot. All right, let's see what this brisket's talking about here. Got me a piece of it. I like the fat to meat ratio. That's gonna be really good. It seems to be broke down good. Here we go. Completely tender, really good. Let's see what the pulled pork's talking about here. It's got a good bark on it. There we go. Really good Texas flavors. They got some good sauces too. Let's go ahead and try the pulled pork with the sauce. I like it. I almost maybe taste a hint of like steak sauce in that barbecue sauce, which is really good. So I like the sides. I think the ribs were my all-time favorite. Out of everything, the brisket was really good, the sausage is good, and the sauces are good. So y'all check them out. I'll see y'all next time.